we escaped from home today to make a little video for you. My name is Asya, I'm a guide for JC Travel in Kiev and Ukraine, and today we are shooting for the first time a little exciting walk around the city to inspire you for the future plans to travel to Kiev and Ukraine. We were thinking, what do we want to talk about today? And the answer came to us in Latin, ars longa vita brevis est, which means art is eternal while the life is short. So we would love to talk about art as an inspiration for all of us. But since all the galleries and museums are closed today, so the only open space is the street. So follow me and I'll show you the backyards of Kiev streets where we will admire murals and wall paintings. And let's see what they have to tell us, and maybe you can also look a little bit deep inside yourself and find some interesting answers which were waiting for you for a long time. So follow me. Inspired by the artworks of Renaissance artists and sculptors, Ukrainian artist Oleksiy Pryimak, known by the nickname Prime, created this fascinating mural. The name of it is Walsall, which in Ukrainian also sounds as a free spirit, which means when the artist creates the project, the painting, he dedicates the soul to it. So he puts his soul into the wall. So in this mural, the artist brings up a question: is the street art legal? Will there be enough walls for all the artists to express themselves? And most of it, the main question is it worth it? Because time is passing by, paintings are fading away, and artworks become forgotten. So is it worth it to dedicate the soul to the wall, knowing that it's not going to go to eternity? Every character on this mural has its role. Here you can see gods and angels. On the opposite side, you will see the beginners and the professional artists. Some of them are still thinking what to create. Some of them are putting their first brush strokes. But since to express yourself, to try, is forbidden, some of the artists will never even dare to start creating. And on the other end of the painting, you can see the battle between the artist creator and the so-called power, which is trying to forbid the artist to express himself. So also the question, is it worth it to forbid something which is coming from inside and which should be put on the wall and should be created? It's also the question to all of you. Are you allowing yourself to express your feelings? Maybe this quiet time is given us to ask our own soul, what do you want, my dear? And give it a chance to express, to sing, to write, to dance, and to draw anywhere it wants. One of the most impressive murals in Kiev was created by Australian artist Guido van Helten in 2015. Painted on the wall of 7th-floor building in the city center, it reveals beautiful Ukrainian lady holding a May lily flower. Artists got inspired by the poem of Ukrainian poetess Lesya Ukrainka, and maybe her breathtaking life story as well. Lesya was an outstanding kid. She learned to read at 4, to play the piano at 5, and started to write poetry at 8. Unfortunately, at the age of 9, she got tuberculosis. This fact, of course, influenced her future life greatly. But she was one of these dreamers who cannot be tamed and created a bright imaginary world inside her head. One of her famous dramas is called Forest Song, where the main character is forest fairy called Mavka. Lesya puts into her mouth her own motto: "No, I'm alive, I live eternally. I have that in my heart which cannot die." And she was right. It's been over 100 years since she passed away. but she's alive in her poems, novels, looking at us from this mural. The girl in the air is Ukrainian gymnast Anna Ryzatinova. The Australian artist Fintan created that painting. He captured her in the process of somersault. But the special thing about this mural is that she's wearing t-shirt and jeans, which emphasizes that heroes are among us. Maybe it's me, maybe it's you. So anyone can be outstanding, anyone can become a hero. And one more thing that artists commented about these artworks, he said, any woman can achieve what she's dreaming about. So ladies, let's dream, and nothing should stop us on the way to achieve our goals. There is strong belief that visualizing your dreams will help to make them happen. So by the end of this tour, we have a little gift for you, especially of those who are dreaming about the sea. We believe that all the dreamers will be able to travel soon, and we hope that you enjoyed our little walk around the city, our interesting stories about the murals. And please don't forget to subscribe on our JC Travel Ukraine channel to follow our updates, because there are new videos coming shortly to inspire you more. And thank you very much for your attention. Hope to see you soon. Bye.